This is our Bellybuster vegan burger. Hi everyone, so today we're going to make these Linda McCartney's vegan chicken fillet burgers, and we're going to have that with some spinach, some salad, some garlic mushrooms, some Mexicana vegan cheese, and we're going to have it on some crusty rolls. It's going to be banging. So just pop them on the oven tray and they'll go in for about, how long does it take? 28 minutes, gas mark 6. So we'll pop them in the oven. Oh, I can't wait, I'm starving. So now we just chop up all the salad ready for the burger. Throw in the salad and give it a good wash. This is the Mexicana vegan cheese. It's got a bit of spice to it. Really nice. It'll be lovely added to the burger. So now we're just going to add a slice of this Richmond meat-free vegan bacon to add to the burger. So what's your favourite burger combination? Let us know in the comments below. I'd say this is about ready to dish up now, eh? Let's get this whacked on a plate, pal. So whack on the Linda McCartney vegan chicken burger. Next, add a bit of spinach, nice hash brown, nice bit of salad, lettuce, cucumber, tomato and peppers we've got there. Now add a bit of the Richmond vegan bacon and finish off with some mushrooms. Oh no, actually we've forgotten the Mexicana cheese, so just add that last, and then I'll probably put a little dollop of the baconaise mayonnaise on to finish. So let's just zoom in there. Right, look at that. That is absolutely massive. No, I've got a big mouth, but anyway, yeah, I'm going to enjoy this. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe so that you see more of the vegan cooking videos by or for vegan. Thanks for watching.